अच्छा yes, sir. Yes. Good morning students, welcome to Toppers JEE and IIT NEET Foundation program. Yes, in the previous class we have solved up to 27th question. Now let us try to complete the remaining as soon as possible. Right, in that first one means 28th question, if cosecant A plus cot A is equal to 11/2, then tan A is equal to what? Is cosecant A plus cot A is equal to 11/2. Okay, we know that. Then cosecant A minus cot A is equal to its reciprocal, means 2/11. Okay, now let us add both. Okay, we need tan A value now. Okay, otherwise then we let us subtract second one from first one. That means signs will be changed. Cosecant A minus cosecant A get cancelled. Cot A plus cot A means 2 cot A is equal to 11/2 plus 2/11. Let us take LCM for 2 and 11, that is 22. 2 11 times 11 11s are 121 plus 2 times 2 2s are 4. Yes, then 2 cot A is equal to 11/2. 125/22. Then cot A is equal to 125/44. Sorry students, here we are subtracting actually 121 minus 4, that is equal to 117/22. Then cot A is equal to 117/22 into 2, that is equal to 117/44. But we need tan A value. Tan A is nothing but reciprocal of cot A. So we can take tan A is equal to reciprocal of 117/44 is nothing but 44/117. Therefore, from the given options, option C is the correct answer. Okay students, next question. If sin of A plus B is equal to √3/2 and sin 2B is equal to 1/2, then which of the following are correct? Right, sin of A plus B, that means sin A plus B is equal to √3/2. Sin of A plus B Root 3 by 2 can be written in terms of sine. Okay, sine 60 degrees is nothing but root 3 by 2. Okay, now let us compare. Then we get a plus b is equal 60 degrees. Let us take this as a first equation. Next, sine 2b is equal 1 by 2. 1 by 2 in the sine table it can be written as sine 30 degrees, and sine 2b is equal sine 30 degrees. Then we get 2b is equal 30 degrees. Okay, then b is equal 30 degrees by 2 means 15 degrees. Okay, now let us substitute the value of b in equation 1 to get the value of a. Means from equation 1 we get a plus b. A plus 15 degrees is equal to 60 degrees. Then a is equal to 16 degrees minus 15 degrees, that is equal to 45 degrees. Okay, now let us check options. Tan a is equal to 1. Tan a means here 45 degrees. We know that tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. That means this is correct. B, option B. B is equal to 30 degrees. Actually we got B is equal to 15 degrees only. Means this is not correct, means false. Option C. A is equal to 45 degrees. Yes, that is correct. Means this is true. Option D. Cos A is equal to 1 by 2. Cos A means cos 45 degrees. Actually cos 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. So this is false. Okay. Therefore, which of the following are correct? Means option A and option C are correct. Okay, students. Next question. If 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4, then which of the following is correct? Let us check. Yes, let us take given thing. 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. 7 sin square theta, I will write it as 3 sin square theta plus 4 sin square theta. Okay, just split this 7 square theta as 3 sin square theta plus 4 sin square theta. Now from these two, let us take 3 common. We will get 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta is equal to 4. From first trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 4 sin square theta is equal to 4. 4 sin square theta. Let us transpose 3 to RHS. 4 minus 3, that becomes 1. Then sin square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Sin theta is equal to, let us take 1 by 2. Okay. Then sin theta is equal, it can be written as sin 30 degrees, then theta is equal to 30 degrees. Now let us check options. First option, option A, tan theta. Tan theta means here theta is 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Yes, so option A is correct. Now option B, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is nothing but reciprocal of sine, means 1 by sin theta. And 1 by sin theta means 1 by theta here 30 degrees, 1 by sin 30 degrees, 1 by 2. means that becomes 2, but the given value is 5/13, that is false. Now option C, cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Here cos theta means cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees, you know that, root 3 by 2. So option C is correct. Now option D, sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, already we have proved sin theta means sin 30 degrees, that is equal to 1 by 2. This is 2. Okay, so then option A, option C and option D are correct. Okay students, next question. If tan square theta plus 3 is equal to 3 secant theta, then which of the following is correct? Okay, tan square theta plus 3 is equal to 3 secant theta. From second trigonometric identity, we can write the value of tan square theta in terms of secants. We write secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 3 secant theta. Transpose the 3 secant theta into LHS side. Then we get secant square theta. 3 minus 1 means 2. Minus 3 secant theta is equal to 0. Secant square theta minus 3 secant theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now let us take secant theta as some x, then it becomes x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, let us find the factors. Let x is equal to secant theta, then we get x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, by splitting the middle term we can find product of constant term and coefficient of x square term. 1 into 2, 2, take 2 here, coefficient of x term, that is minus 3. Now we have to write the middle term x coefficient minus 3 as sum of two another terms, okay, such that their sum is minus 3 and product is 2. Okay, let us take minus 2 minus 1 means you can write x square minus 2x minus 1x, 1x means x only, plus 2 is equal to 0. Let us take x common, x into x minus 2, here minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Finally we get x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to or x is equal to 1. Okay students, okay, case 1, x is equal to means secant theta is equal to 2. Then secant theta means 2 means we will get secant 60 degrees. Why? Because yes, then theta is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, then options cos theta is equal to and cos 60 degrees, that is equal to 1 by 2. Next, theta is equal to 0 degrees. Secant theta is equal to 1 if we get cos 0 degrees is equal to 1 means secant 0 degrees also 1. Theta here 0 degrees, but let us check whether theta is equal to 0 degrees correct or not in the given equation. Tan square theta, tan square 0 degrees, tan square tan 0 degrees value is 0, 0 plus 3, 3 secant theta, secant 0 is 0, 3 into 1 0, okay, right. So option B also correct. Theta is equal to 0 degrees. Next, theta 60 degrees is theta 60 degrees is also correct. Tan theta is equal to, suppose if you take 60 degree, tan 60 is root 3. This is also correct. So four options, option A, option B, option C, and let us check for theta 60 degrees. Tan square 60 degrees. 60 degrees means tan 60 degrees root 3. Root 3 tan square 60 means 3. 3 plus 3 6 here. Secant 3 into secant 30. Secant 30. Secant 30 degrees value means reciprocal cos 30 means cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means secant 60 degrees are 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 means 3 into 2 by root 3. We are getting 2 by root 3. Okay, 2 root 3 finally. That means for theta is equal to 60 degrees, the equation is not satisfied. So, theta is equal to 0 degrees. Let us take. Right. Then tan theta is equal to root 3 is false. So finally, what is the correct answer? Theta is equal to 0 degrees is the correct answer. Yes, cos theta. Yes, only option B is the correct answer. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, assertion and reasoning answer type questions. First, that 33. In a right angle triangle, sin 47 degrees is equal to cos 43 degrees. Okay, sin 47 degrees can be written as sin of 90 degrees minus 43. Okay, but sin of 90 degrees minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Sin 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. So, according to that, sin 47 degrees is equal to cos 43 is the correct one. Means assertion is the correct one. Next, reason. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 plus theta, but actually sin theta is cos 90 plus theta. Cos of 90 plus theta is second quadrant, theta is second quadrant, that becomes minus sin theta actually. Okay, where theta is an angle in the right angled triangle. Okay, assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. So, option what is the correct answer? Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Right, next question. Statement type questions. Statement 1. As theta increases, sin theta increases. Yes, that is correct. Where 0, theta is lies between 0 to theta is lying between 0 to 90 degrees. Okay, statement 1 is correct. Statement 2. As theta decreases, cos theta decreases. Let us check. Cos 90 degrees is what? 0. Cos 60 degrees value 1 by 2. Cos 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. Means what? Here theta is decreasing but value is increasing. So, statement 2 is wrong. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is wrong. Okay, then option A is the correct answer. Next question. The value of sin 75 degrees. Yes, this is componential passage type questions. Now, given matter is a compound angle is that which is made up of algebraic sum of two or more angles. Actually, we can instead of sum, we can take difference also. Yes, right. Now, let us solve first question that the value of sin 75 degrees is equal dash. 75 degrees can be written as Right. Sine 75 degrees. 75 can be split, can be written as 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Why? Because we know the sine 30 degrees and 45 degrees and cos 30 degrees and cos 45 degrees. Okay, that is why as per my convenient I have written like this. Now it is in the form of sine of a plus b. Sine 75 degrees is equal sine of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Now it is in the form of sine a plus b. Sine of a plus b formula sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Yes, let us write according to that formula. Here a means 45 degrees, b means 30 degrees. Okay, sin a means sin 45 degrees, sin a cos b, b means 30 degrees, cos 30 degrees plus cos a and cos 45 degrees into sin b, sin 30 degrees. Sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. 1 into root 3 by 2 into root 2, 2 root 2, root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 into 1, 1 by 2 root 2, 1 by 2 root 2. Here denominators are same, then let us simplify it as root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Therefore, sin 75 degrees is equal root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. From the given options, option D is the correct answer. Okay students, next question. The value of sin 15 degrees is equal to sin 15 degrees can be written as sin of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Okay, now it is in the form of sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. According to that formula we can write it as sin 45 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus of cos 45 degrees into sin 30 degrees. Sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Now it becomes root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2 and it can be written as root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Next question students. The value of tan 75 degrees. Tan 75 degrees can be written as tan of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Now it is in the form of tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b is equal tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Means here let us take a as 45 degrees and b is 30 degrees. Tan a means tan 45 degrees plus tan b means tan 30 degrees whole divided by 1 minus tan a means tan 45 degrees into tan b means tan 30 degrees. Right. Tan 45 degrees value 1 plus tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3 by 1 minus again tan 45 degrees value 1 into tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3. Let us simplify it as root 3 plus 1 by root 3 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Now root 3 get cancelled. Finally we will get root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Option D is the correct answer. Okay students, next question. Yes, next section, matrix matching type questions. In that first one, cos A plus 1 by cos A by 1 by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to what? Next, cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to what? Fourth, next one, square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to what? Next, sin square A by 1 minus cos A is equal to what? Okay, let us simplify one by one. First one, let us take cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Okay, now let us take the LCM of denominators in the given two fractions. Okay, 1 plus sin A cos A, product is the LCM, the 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now cos A into cos A, cos square A plus 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square, expand it, 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 sin A, and means 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A. But here students, cos square A plus sin square A can be taken as 1 from first trigonometric identity. 1 plus 1, 2 here, 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, from numerator part let us take 2 common, 2 into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled. Finally we will get 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A can be written as 2 into secant A. 2 by cos A means 2 into 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A is nothing but secant A. So finally we will get 2 secant A is answer. Option B is the correct answer in the given options. Okay students, let us go for next question in that. Right. Next question, cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Okay, here let us do one thing students. Denominator is in the form of cos A plus sin A minus 1. Okay, let us write for our convenience cos A minus 1 plus sin A. Okay, yes, again now multiply and divide with 2, cos A minus 1 minus sin A by cos A minus 1 minus sin A means finally we get cos A Okay. Plus 1 minus sin A into cos A yes cos A plus 1 minus sin A divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 into cos A minus 1 minus sin A. Right. Yes, you can observe numerator part cos A plus 1 minus sin A here cos A plus 1 minus sin A into cos A plus 1 minus sin A. It can be written as cos A minus 1 plus sin A. Okay. Minus sin A. Yes, cos A minus 1 minus sin A means what here? Cos A minus sin A plus 1 into cos A minus sin A plus 1. Sorry. Please report. Okay, students, meanwhile, let us solve this simple one. This is taking big space. Now, under square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Let us simplify it as 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A and multiply and divide with 1 plus sin A. Numerator is in the form of A plus b into A plus b, that becomes A plus b whole square, and it can be written as 1 plus sin A whole square. Denominator is in the form of A minus b into A plus b. It can be written as A square minus b square, means 1 square minus sin square A. Okay, if you take numerator part, 1 plus sin A whole square is there. Square and square root get cancelled, we will get 1 plus sin A by 1 square minus sin square A. 1 square means 1, sin square A. 1 minus sin square A means from first identity, first trigonometric identity we get it as a cos square A. Root of cos square A is there. Root cos square can be written as again cos A, means finally 1 plus sin A by cos A. And again we can split it as 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A means secant A plus sin A by cos A means tan A. So option C is the Correct answer. In that last one, sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a by 1 minus cos a. For my convenience, I will write 1 as 1 square, then it becomes 1 square minus cos square a by 1 minus cos a. Again, numerator is in the form of a square minus b square. It can be written as a plus b into a minus b, means 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a by 1 minus cos a. Here 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a get cancelled, remaining is 1 plus cos a. Again, still we can simplify it. 1 plus cos a can be written as 1 by secant a. 1 plus 1 by secant a can be written as secant a plus 1 by secant a. So, option D is the correct answer. Yes, from the remaining 38 is should match with cosecant a plus cot a. Next question, students. The value of sin square 22 degrees plus sin square 68 degrees by cos square 22 degrees plus cos square 68 degrees plus sin square 63 degrees plus cos 63 degrees and sin 27 degrees. Okay, we can find the value of the given question by using complement angle concept, means sin of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to sin theta. Right, let us start. Sin 22 degrees plus sin square 22 degrees plus sin square 68 degrees. Sin square 68 degrees can be written as sin square of 90 degrees minus 22 degrees by here cos square 22 degrees. Instead of cos square 60 degrees, we write as cos square of 90 degrees minus 22 degrees plus sin square 63 degrees plus cos sin square 63 degrees plus cos 63 degrees into sin 27 degrees. Sin 27 degrees can be written as sin of 90 degrees minus 63 degrees. Okay. Sin square 22 degrees plus sin of 90 degrees minus theta cos theta, means here cos square 22 degrees by cos square 22 degrees plus cos square 90 degrees minus 20. It can be written as sin square 22 degrees plus sin square 63 degrees plus cos 63 degrees into sin of 90 degrees minus theta, means cos theta, means cos 63 degrees. Now numerator is in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. It gives the value 1, as well as denominator also cos 20 degrees plus sin 20 degrees is equal to 1. 1 by 1 plus sin square 63 degrees plus cos 63 degrees into cos 63 degrees, cos square 63 degrees. That is equal 1 by 1 means 1 plus sin square 63 plus cos square degrees means 1 again. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay student, this is the integer type constant questions, no options. Okay, but all value maximum will be in the case of between 0 to 9. So next question, tan 9 degrees into tan 27 degrees into tan 63 degrees into tan 81 degrees. Already we have solved this question. That value is equal to 1. Next question students, sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equal to k plus tan square theta into cot plus cot square theta, then k is equal to what? Right, if you observe LHS part, in that sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square, that is in the form of a plus b whole square. Here a is sin theta, b is cosecant theta. Yes, we will get sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosecant theta. In the same way, cos theta plus secant theta whole square also expanded in the form of a plus b whole square, where a is cos theta and b is secant theta. Means cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta into secant theta is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Right, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cosecant theta. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So sin theta into cosecant theta becomes 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus cos square theta. Here also secant square theta plus here 2 cos theta into secant theta. Cos theta and secant theta both are reciprocals to each other. So the product of cos theta and secant theta is equal to 1. 2 into 1 becomes 2. That is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Here you can observe, here sin square theta is there, here cos square theta is there. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, write as one pair, sin square theta plus cos square theta. From third trigonometric identity, we get Yes. So students, cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. In the same way, from second trigonometric identity, secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 plus 1 plus cot plus 1 here plus 2 here. Remaining is what? Cot square theta plus tan square theta. That is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. We will get 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 here. 1 here. 1 more 2 is there here. Okay, 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Finally, we get 7. 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to k plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. On comparing the like terms in both LHS or RHS parts, we get 7 is equal to k. Okay, students. Next question. Sin square 10 degrees plus sin square 20 degree plus sin square 30 and so on, sin plus sin square 80 plus sin square 90. Sin square 10 plus sin square 20 plus sin square 30 plus sin square 40 plus sin square 50 plus sin square 60 plus sin square 70 plus sin square 80 plus sin square 90. You take sin square 10 plus sin square 80 as one pair. Next, sin square 20 plus cos plus sin square 70 next sin square 30 plus sin square 60 next sin square 40 plus sin square 50 plus sin square 90. Sin square 10 plus sin square 80. Sin square 10 plus sin square 80 can be written as sin square of 90 minus 10. In the same way, remaining also sin square 20 plus sin square of 90 minus 20 here plus sin square 30 plus sin square of 90 minus 30 plus sin square 40 plus sin square of 90 minus 40 plus sin square 90 is equal to sin square 10. Sin 90 degree minus 10 is cos theta, means this becomes cos square 10 plus same way sin square 20 plus cos square 20. And so as you can take degrees also in the question. Degrees. make question as degrees terms of degrees right plus sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees plus sin square 90 degrees, that is equal to sin square 10 plus cos square 10 value 1 degree, sin square 20 degrees plus cos square 20 degrees value 1, sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees value 1 plus sin square 90, sin 90 degrees value 1, 1 square means 1, finally 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Okay students, thank you. Let us meet in the next class. Please.